So it is not only avatar that can talk, your animals can talk as well. And today I'll be teaching you how to make your animal sing. So there is a particular app that you can use, and this app is free and very easy to use. So if you don't want to miss out on this, make sure you watch to the end. And the good thing is this app can do so many other things. So you're going to be seeing how we're going to use this app to make your animal sing for free. Let's get into it, guys. So the first thing you want to do is go to the app, and then you click on it, and the app's name is Dreamface. The app's name is Dreamface. You click on it. Now the first interface you see is this interface. Now they will be asking you to pay, yeah, but we want to use it for free. So what you do is click on this cancel icon at the top left, click on it, and then voila, this particular interface will open. Don't forget, you can use this particular app for photo talking, video lip syncing, news, video, AI filter, photo enhancement. You can use it to enhance your photo. If your photo is coming as SD, you can enhance it to HD with this particular app. So there are so many things this particular app can do for you. You can make your cat sing. You can, whatever song, whichever kind of song you want. Is it Christmas song, Happy New Year song? You know, you can sing with your photo, daily conversation, new arrivals, children voice. We have children voice here. This is it. Any voice you want. Maybe you are into children video and you want the children to sing. You can use this particular app to achieve that. Afrobeat. Now you want to search for any music, African music, and you can use this particular app to achieve that as well. Dance floor, Pitbull, April delivery, Hot Weekly, whatever. There are so many things you can do with this particular app. And the good thing is it is free to use, and you can use your phone to do that. Okay, this one, they say TikTok hits, so definitely it's trending on TikTok. So guys, the particular one we'll be doing today is making your cat sing, making your pet sing. That is pet singers. This particular one is the one we'll be using today. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do, you want to choose the particular cat you want or the song you want. So this particular first one, Apt Kids version, is currently trending. I saw it on YouTube. It's currently trending everywhere. So what you need to do is click on it. Click on it. When you click on it, it will open like this. Now this is the interface it's going to show you. So the next thing you want to do, you want to choose your avatar.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Oh, you got the.
So yes, that is the cat singing. Now the second one, this is how it sings. Let's listen to the second one. So whichever one you want. This is the third one. So yes, that's it. There are lots more that you can choose from, and anyone that suits your style, your video, you pick the one you want and then you use it. So guys, the particular one we'll be using for this video is the first card, this one. So you're just going to select it, let it open. When it opens,
don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me?
It's not going to stop singing. You choose your avatar. So now we're just going to choose our avatar, the one we want to use. Yeah, you choose your own. Don't forget, you have to first of all download your own cat, your own pet, so that you can choose it when you want to upload. Now we're just gonna click on it, just follow through, click on it, let it open.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't.
So yeah, this is the one I want to use, but you can select whichever one you have on your phone. I already have this one here, so I'm just going to make use of it. And then you set the face to fit this particular I don't know, mask. Yes, please mask the face manually. So you mask it, let it set as if it's eyes and mouth, yeah, like this. Yeah, then you click on confirm, and you allow it, you know, open like this. When it opens like this, and then you select the ratio you want. So guys, we have different ratios here. You're just going to select the one you want. We have 3:4, we have 1:1, we have 4:3. This one is the landscape, and we have 9:16, which is the portrait. So I am just going to select this for portraits, and then you set your pet or your cat very well. Yeah, and then you click on next, and you wait for it to, you know, yeah, to animate. But before you animate, okay, we just have to adjust the face to fit. Yeah, okay. Now if you click here, you'll see it's the head. That means it is well aligned. You click here, you see it is the eyes, it is well aligned. Yeah, so you click here, you see it is the mouth. That means it is good to go. We can animate this particular cut or image. So you click on animate, and you wait for it to animate. Yes, that's all. You just make your card sing. Don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful videos, and don't forget to share, comment, and like. Don't miss out on my next video because it's gonna be the bomb.
Go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me.
Okay guys, so here is your animated cat singing, and after you get this beautiful cat singing, you just have to click on save HD, and voila, it is saved to your phone. And guess what, you can use this, you can post this as your YouTube shorts, your Instagram reels, even on TikTok, and then go viral. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.